Hello lovely people, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I prepare this fufu. You're going to love a simple recipe that is so easy to make at home. So I've added my plantains, which was already prepped and it was in the freezer. Then I just added water and cooked till it get down. So let's check it out if it's ready for us to go blend it. And when it's done, let it cool down before you blend this in the blender. So there's a pre-made fufu that we're going to add it. That fufu powder, I'm using a half cup, and when everything is done, let's go blend this. You can see it did cool down before adding it into the blender. So I've added my pre-made fufu powder, then I add some half cup of water. Don't over add the water if you don't want it soft. So at this point, the fufu was not blending, although you can see it moving, but it was not blending. So just add a little water. So be careful when adding your water if you don't want your fufu all that soft. But I'm good. I like soft fufu because I mostly make this fufu for my kids and I can't give them hard fufu, right? So I'm going to put this back into the microwave for 3 minutes, and when it's done, you stir and then you put it back again. So the 3 minutes is over. You need to stir to get everything uniform. So it's another 2 minutes, and right now our fufu is done to be served. And before you serve your fufu, let it cool down. This is the part most people miss when making this type of fufu recipe. Cool down before you can mold this fufu in any shape that you want. Just be patient and then you like. Yeah, if you don't have patience, then you can't enjoy it. So have time for whatever that you're cooking and going to enjoy it. So when I let it cool down, you see it's so easy to mold, and yeah, it's not porridge. I remember I posted a video and someone said, your fufu look like porridge. Come on, how can I post something that is not good or eat it? Yeah, I normally make this fufu soft for the kids, and as you know, and if you have not observed this, if you take more plantains than yuca or the cassava, when you put the fufu down for a long time, it hardens. Yeah, but they eco fufu ma enchena eating. No. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you try this recipe. Bye bye.